bending yung shoulder twice. Hey ma'am, sir, are you okay? Hey ma'am, sir, are you okay? Okay? So that's checking for responsiveness. So if patient is unresponsive, pero mas maganda sabi niya, okay ako. Okay? So okay na siya. Lakot mo na yan. Okay? Pero if hindi siya nagre-respond, you will proceed in checking the airway. So in checking the airway, ito yung airway niya. Okay? Okay, so bago natin ma-visualize, so dapat hyperextended dyan. So dapat we will do head tilt, chin tilt maneuver. Pag adult, maximum. Kapag child, neutral plus. So this is neutral plus. Kapag neutral, ganyan lang siya. Okay? Neutral sa infant yun. Kapag child, neutral plus, konti lang. And then maximum head tilt, chin lift maneuver, gano'n. Okay? And then, kung buri nga kagad ka kanya nangini. Or ganon. So, dyan lang, kahit na ganito lang dito, anyways, unconscious yan, konti lang yan, nga yan. So, makikita mo, there is obstruction. If there is obstruction, kung kaya mo, okay, you will do airway obstruction management kung kaya mong i-finger sweep sa adult finger sweep dito. Kapag infant, ganito, or child. So, kung kaya mo siya i-finger sweep mo siya. But, if in case that there is a great risk or a greater risk na madidislodge lang yung obstruction, so huwag mo munang gawin yun. Gumagawa ka ng ibang airway obstruction management techniques. So gawin muna natin airway obstruction. Tandaan nyo, dito tayo nag-stop ha sa pag-check ng airway. Okay? So let's do airway obstruction muna. So I need a volunteer. Tayo airway obstruction management for conscious people. Conscious siya. Meron din tayo management for unconscious people. Usually, nakahiga na yun yung unconscious. Kaso, meron tayong management for conscious people who are obese or mataba or who are pregnant. Meron din tayong airway obstruction management technique for persons who are unconscious and pregnant din sila or obese or mataba. Okay, so ito, normal adult, okay, that is conscious pero meron siyang obstruction dito. Okay, nandito. Nung binisualize ko siya, nakita ko medyo malalim. So, ang gagawin ko ay airway obstruction management which is called the Heimlich maneuver. Heimlich. H-E-I-M-L-I-C-H. Heimlich. H-E-I-M-L-I-C-H. Okay. So, ang Heimlich maneuver is, kailangan you will stand behind the victim. So, tapos, titingnan mo kung saan yung kanyang navel, yung pusod niya, the pusod na, and the tip of the breastbone, or the tip of the sternum, or what we call as the xiphoid process. And then, you put your ganitong hand, ganun ninyo. Hindi palagbi eh. Ito parang magiging arrow siya. Arrow. Ayan ang arrow. Pointing towards you. Tama? Nakikita ninyo? Ayan, okay. So, gawin ninyo cursor ito. Okay? Or a marker. So, hanapin ninyo yung navel niya at saka dito yung tip of the sternum ilagay sa gitna. Sa gitna ng dalawa. Di ba? Ayan, hanapin mo. Lagay mo yung lilibutan. Okay? So, ilalagay nyo yung marker. Ayan. And then, using your other hand, i-cup mo siya. I-cup mo. Cup.
Push.
Yan. Okay? Pero dapat ang motion natin is inward, upward thrusts. Inward, upward. Parang letter J. So, bakit natin ginagawa yon? Di ba we have in our abdomen, nandito is the diaphragm. Di ba? Di ba kapag hihinga tayo, bababa ang diaphragm, kapag nag-exhale ka, lalabas niya. Gagawin yun, di ba? Kaya nga pag sobrang busog ka, ang diaphragm mo is push upwards pala. Di ba, pag punong-punuan siya mo, yung stomach mo, is napupush upwards ang diaphragm mo. Therefore, kapag hihinga ka, konting ganun lang yan, di ba? Kaya nga hirap na huminga, kaya kapag sobrang busog mo. Sigo? Di ba? Ganun na. It's because pinupush yung diaphragm upwards. Ganun ang gagawin natin. Okay? Ang mechanism of action natin kapag there is an obstruction over here. Yung diaphragm, push natin, therefore the air that is in here, ipupush niya upwards, yung pressure, ilalabas niya yung obstruction. Ulit. So, mahirap gawin ito sa isang tao na conscious talaga or like siya na wala talaga obstruction kasi masakit. So, hindi ko siya talaga gagawin sa kanya. So, inward, upward. Ganun ano? Okay? So, you must, alas yung number of times kung ilan mo gagawin, kung ilan beses, as long as that the obstruction is not removed. Anyway, ano lang naman yun eh. Okay? So, that is for a person conscious na hindi mataba, na hindi buntis, okay, na merong obstruction. Eh, what if buntis? Pero conscious siya. Hahanapin mo yung label niya. O, ganun yun. Nandito. Tapos nandito yung breastbone niya. Ilalagay mo yun dito. Ganon.